Yo, 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 what's up? What's good? What's up, Cloud Life? It's Overflow Nexus. Back again, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets. What's up, Mike J? How you doing? I'm here for round two. But, round two, I'm going to play some games for y'all today. I'm going to look at some charts, play some games, have some fun. Just going to chill out today. Not going to do too much craziness on the charts because there's not too much going on right now in the market. You said can't decipher Bitcoin right now. Yeah, it's kind of hard to read right now. I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart right now, and I'm kind of disgusted by the chart. But I do have a slight understanding of what the market's trying to do, but I'm not sure exactly what it wants to officially do. But I do think it's gonna dump though. So I will say that. So, yeah, I do see that. But anyway, that being said, I'm trying to get over this cough. So if I cough a little bit, forgive me, y'all. But yeah, this market isn't looking, it's not looking the most fond. If anything, it's not looking the best. There are some instances in this market where I'm thinking the market. You may think the market's doing one thing, but it does the completely opposite. So, but how y'all doing tonight? I just want to say what's up, to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's, not getting too beat up because of the market. Just because a lot of people put so much, so much has gone into the market where they put so much into it where they don't. I don't know how to say this, but people have taken so much of a hit out of this market, and I think people are getting discouraged about the market right now. At this point, I just say, just invest, and take money when you can, have fun. Don't be so serious about the market. I know we all want a bright future and all that, but you got to be real. The market is going to do what it's going to do, and at this point in time, just have fun while the market is doing what it's doing. Like, I don't think people should be beating themselves up or fighting just because the market's not doing one thing, but it is what it is. So tonight I'm gonna play some Enter the Gungeon. Play some games. Just a game, but not games. Just a game. If y'all have any game recommendations for another live stream, let me know in the chat. Whether y'all want to do like a co-op game together or play like a group game, let me know. But drop some games in the chat box, if you are interested in that. And see me playing a game other than the one I'm gonna be playing. I always like to diversify my gaming if I get a chance. Because I haven't gamed in such a long time, so I'm getting back into gaming slowly. It's something that I am very passionate about since I was young. But I try not to make it like an idol or anything. But it is what it is. But yeah, let me know in the chat box what games y'all would like to see. We're gonna just hop straight into this Ichimoku analysis, you guys. We're not gonna go over too much on the charts as far as the market cap and all that. We don't need to go through all that. We're just gonna go over the charts and look at some charts, and we're gonna have fun tonight. Let me move my camera. There we go, right there. There we go. We're good. Now we're in the bubble. All right, sweet. But yeah, looking at this market, Mike, I don't know if you're still here, but if you are, this is what I'm looking at in Bitcoin right now. So we were ranging between this order block and this order block pretty strong. And then we had this stupid breakout here. And then this crazy retrace that came out of nowhere. So this, seeing this was kind of discouraging because I did not expect this retrace to happen. I expected the break to the downside, but not this here. So I got caught up in this nonsense. Like for a short, if y'all remember the short on Twitter, let me go to, no, I'm not going to go to Twitter. I call the short from here all the way down to this point. I thought it would break through here, but it broke sooner than I expected. I thought we were going to bounce in here for a little bit longer, then drop, but it dropped sooner. If you don't remember, I also posted this in the Discord if y'all are in my Discord. And Mike, I saw that you joined the Discord, I believe. I think the one thing that you did do, you did click on the green check. So when you click on the green check, it'll give you full access to the Discord. And your name will turn red. But other than that, yeah, this is what I'm seeing right now. So we're definitely, breaking this order block to the downside. Maybe we might hold here and then move higher. This is the last order block I do see where price could come up here. Not saying that it won't. And not saying that it will. I'm just saying this is the last place that it could go up to if it does continue higher. Let me show y'all this. What I am noticing, buyers are losing the edge right here. So if I was to go to like a 15-minute time frame, you'll see that this is a seller's market on the 15-minute time frame. Let me show y'all. You see sellers are coming into the market right here. So, be careful if you are day trading. If you're investing, what I'm saying doesn't really matter because you just hold. But if you are a day trader, be careful because, this is telling us that sellers are coming into the market. This indicator is used by institutional traders. They use this to figure out the momentum of who's entering the market, buyers or sellers, and they play off of that momentum. Or if they see a weakness, they'll exploit it. But this is showing us that sellers are coming into the market. And if I come to the 5-minute, you see that sellers are already in here right now. So sellers are trying to establish a place right now on the lower time frame. So be careful. You see it's kind of happening on the 1 hour. And you see that it's starting to come down a little bit. Let me go back to that 15. 15 minutes. There's no divergence here. Market is still pretty solid to the downside for the most part. And it's pretty solid to doing this correction here. I'm still thinking that this is going to come down lower. That's what I just, I'm not saying that I feel that. I'm saying that's most likely to be the case for this market for Bitcoin. And then also coming here on the 4-hour time frame, let me put Ichimoku on real quick. The market's not in equilibrium yet. Let me show you. The market's not in equilibrium. Let me take these off. So here, overall, the market's bearish on Ichimoku. But here's the thing. These two lines are far apart, and it's showing that the market's out of equilibrium. When the market's out of equilibrium, two things that tend to happen is price wants to move back into equilibrium, saying that price usually wants to move back towards this blue line, or the blue line is going to move closer to the red line because these two lines, the red and the blue line, they act like lovers. When they're far apart, things get chaotic. When they're close together, things get spicy. So you see how, like example, you see how like up here that they're skin tight into each other. They're making love right here. So when they're skin tight like this, that's a strong sign that the market's going to move in the direction that they're pointing to. And notice here when they started drifting apart, that the market became a little unstable and started finding its way to be, started to find its way being, stabilizing at a price down in here. But the market was out of equilibrium because it's overextended. So this is what the problem is now. It's kind of overextended. So we had this correction. So we're gonna get this. The market's gonna get back into equilibrium, and after the market gets back into equilibrium, that's when I'll start looking for trades. But right now for Bitcoin, I don't see any good opportunities for trades. So, that being said, let me go ahead and put these back on. But you see here, we're holding this level. Even though we broke up a little bit higher, we're still pushing lower. So it's going to be interesting to see how this happens, what happens here. This candle closes in the next hour, 49 minutes. I'm expecting a bigger drop to the downside here. So we will see. If you guys are just now hopping on here, say what's up. Drop your city and your state in the chat. Let me know where you're from, where you're watching this from. Go ahead and smash that like button if you like. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it'd be nice if you do, just to support the channel. But that being said, yeah, go ahead and tell me where you're from. I'll give you a shout out and say what's up. And don't be shy to talk in the chat box. I know there's a lot of people that watch that don't say nothing. There was one day that I had like 20 people watching. Not one person said a thing, but like 3 people. I was like, dang, tough crowd today. But they watched, so it doesn't matter. But the point is, just say what's up. We're here to have fun, not to be too serious and crazy on the market, because the market is gotta do what the market wants to do. What's up from Nebraska? Okay, Nebraska in the house. Okay, Melbourne, Australia. Okay, that's what's up. Okay, we got Trent. Okay, Trent's in the house. The Lim 21211's in the house. Monta. Oh, you're from Dallas, Texas. Man, what part of Dallas are you in? Because I'm in North Dallas. Yeah, you might not be too far from me. I'm in North Dallas. That's what's up. See, it's nice to know people from the home state is watching. But that being said, appreciate y'all sharing y'all city and state. Definitely appreciate that. But yeah, we're gonna look at like 2 more charts, and then we're gonna jump into the gaming. I don't know if y'all want to stick around for the gaming, but I just want to do something different. All these other crypto channels are, uptight about the market, saying, the market's this and this. I just want to have fun. I'm gonna play some games, like I said, for you guys. If y'all don't want to see me play games, y'all more than welcome to leave. I don't try to get people on here just because I want people on here. I just want people to join in just because they like it, and they genuinely like what I put out. So I'm not here to force anybody to do anything. And if you have some game requests, if you want to see me play any other games, like I said, drop your requests, gaming requests, or if y'all want to play a co-op game with me, or request a game with me, definitely let me know. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP did push slightly higher, so I'm not surprised. Let me see. I was thinking it was going to drop a little bit. So this is what I was talking about on my earlier on the live. I was saying that we need to be careful about this area because I was expecting this to be a Z wave, S wave here. But the thing is, the market pushed a little bit higher, so this S wave is no longer valid. So we got to take that off the table. So now the next thing I want to see, let me go ahead and take these off the table because these are no longer valid. Okay. So the next thing I want to see is how price is going to fare here. We do have a golden cross right here, so that's a good sign for price to move a little bit higher. But I'm not sure how strong that's going to be. Let's see, there's any divergence? No divergence here. No divergence there. We go to the 4 hour. Yeah, there's definitely no divergence, but the market for XRP is also out of equilibrium as well. You see Ichimoku's flat. Usually when Ichimoku's flat, this is saying that the market is ranging. And if you look here, let me go ahead and take these off so it doesn't get, doesn't become too much of a distraction. Let me move that out the way to the 1 hour time frame. Let me move this down too. Let me show y'all how the market's in a range right now, because I'm pretty sure y'all see it. But right here, the market's ranging right there. So as long as we're stuck in this box, market's pretty much not going to do anything spectacular until we break outside of this box. Once we, break this range, then I'll be more open to giving like a stronger bias. I do think we're gonna have a drop-based drop, which is this move here, this move base out distribution, and then another drop to the downside. And I do think we'll probably reach between the 46 cent level and the 43 cent level. I do think we'll hit that. I really do think that's going to be a strong move to the downside for XRP and for the rest of these cryptos on here. So that's what I'm seeing for XRP. I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to get into the gaming. And then we will get back into the charts after a few rounds of the game. So let's see. Let me ask, what do y'all want me to look at? I'll take 2 requests and then I'll get to the game. So give me 2 requests and I'll get to the gaming. Because I want to have some fun here. I want to, I don't want to look bad like I did last time. Yeah, you said it's nice that you are not a biased moon boy or a bear boy all the time. Yeah, man, I can't be. I just have to be realistic, And I think a lot of people that are into crypto or do analysis are not realistic. So you have to understand that a lot of people that are into trading crypto, they haven't been trading for too long. They haven't been trading. They haven't traded probably any financial market. They probably haven't traded stocks. They probably haven't traded Forex. And the crypto market is really no different. It's just a little more aggressive and a lot more volatile. So you have to change your approach a little bit. But other than that, the crypto, I can't be bullish all the time and I can't be bearish all the time because I have to see, the data that I'm given at the time because depending on how the market's reading, I go based off that, and I can't just, be one-sided. It just doesn't make sense to be one-sided. You can't make money day trading if you do that. So I'll take these. I'll take the request, the limb. I'll take your request. FTM. I'll look at that one. I don't even know if I even have that. Let's see. I never even heard of this. Actually, that's not true because I did analysis on this. Okay, I lied. Sorry. But anyway, the market for this is starting to get back into equilibrium, which is actually not a good thing because this is actually angled to the downside, which is not good. Whenever you see this angle down, that's usually not a good sign, but the market may still hold here. So I'm not gonna scare you off here just yet. I'm gonna extend this out. Notice how this is a strong area right here. Let me go to the weekly. Actually, no, the daily. Yeah, here we go. Let me move this, adjust that a little bit. So we have this order block here on the daily. We have a death cross here on the daily. And this cloud is starting to get weak as well. So let me show you one thing here. Let me take this off real quick. So let me go zoom out real quick for you. We're still ranging within this gigantic P wave. So we could easily come down to this level here. You see what I'm showing you? Come down here and then move up, something like this, maybe back up, maybe down this way, maybe up this way. I don't know, but from what I'm seeing, this is getting weaker and it's starting to look bearish here. Let me come down to the 1 hour. Let me take this off as well because this is going to be a distraction. Let me do that. So let me show you the trading range for this on the 1 hour. So if you got to day trade this, take all this off the chart. This is how you would look at it, or you would like to look at. Make sure you look at key levels like these fractals here. Make sure you look at support and resistance based off of this. A level that I would pay attention to would be right here. I would keep this marked because this is an order block area. Look how price responded here already, so that's key. Another level that I would pay attention to would be right down here. Another key order block right there. You see how price responded here. So now that I'm looking at it, I could obviously see that the price is ranging in between here. So if anything, I might think to short to this level. And you're starting to see selling pressure come in on the cumulative volume delta. Right here, you're seeing this coming down. So this is showing me that sellers are coming in on the 1 hour. So be careful if you are trying to go long. This is looking bearish. So I would look to target at least to that point with the tight stop loss. Right about right there. So entry point would be at 2,117. I said 2,117. Wow. $2.17. The stop loss would be at $2.24, and then the take profit would be around $1.87. So that's what I got for this. This is the trading range. I will look to take profit here, somewhere around here. So let me move this over. All right. Sweet. So that was FTM. Let me see. So you want me to check the D? Okay, got you. The Dow Jones. Let me see. I don't like this Dow Jones chart. Let me show you the one that I use and prefer. Actually, I told my students, gave my students a trade on the Dow Jones. Where is it at? Where is it at? Here it is. Actually, hold on. I remember it's not called that. It's called US 30. All right, so here it is, right here. So let me show you how I got this, actually. So I told my students to short here. I put this trade in the Discord for my students. And if they caught this, good job for them because it dropped a lot. Yeah, it dropped quite a bit. For this one, it's kind of hard to say because we have this cloud support and we are showing strong rejection here, and we're getting a bullish sign. So I would wait for the end of this week to give you a proper analysis because I can't tell you if it's gonna continue lower or not because I need to understand how this weekly candle is gonna close. And I can't give you analysis on this yet because I want to see how this candle is going to close. If it closes like this, I'll start to think bullish, but not for a long time, maybe for a short period. I'll think bullish because we do have this thick cloud that we have to break through, and it's going to be a lot of effort to break through this thickness. So, I would think it would probably range out a little more, get closer to this level where it's not like thick, too thick, and it'll probably break somewhere over here. So that'll probably be, sometime in, right before June. So yes, that's what I'm thinking. But yeah, I'm not going to give you too much analysis on this one. But if you're talking about for the short term, then I got you. I do think for the short term, we're going to move a little bit lower. Probably make a double bottom and then start moving up. Because you see we're starting to get some bullish momentum here on the 1 hour on the CVO, but I do think maybe we'll come down a little bit more, make a double bottom, and then start rising up. So that's what I'm seeing potentially happening here, because right here is the cloud support. I put this line here, I put this on the weekly. This line's gonna represent, let me also just type it in so you can see it. Weekly supports. So if I put this here, I go to the weekly chart. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, if I go here, you see this is the weekly support here. So it's kind of hard to say. I do think it's going to come down a little bit, make a double bottom, then move higher. So I do think that will be the case. Let's see. Okay, you asked for Maker. I don't even know what Maker is. MKR. I have never heard of that either. Let me see. I'm going to look at the USDT version of that. I'm going to look at the daily chart. Daily chart looks interesting. Let me take this off real quick. Let me study this real quick. Okay, you got supports here. So let me identify these levels of support and resistance here. So we're currently sitting at a support level. The question is, are we going to hold here? Let me zoom out a little bit more. Let me see. We do have, let me see, do we have divergence? Nope, we don't have divergence. We do have, at least, I do know we have support. That's all I know so far. Let me go down to the 4 hour. But let me put this on. 4 hour. All right, 4 hour chart. Let me see what this is looking like. You do have selling pressure coming in here. It is saying that there is buyers here, but it's saying that there's selling pressure as well. Let me see. Oh my goodness, this thing is driving me nuts. It don't click when you want it to click. Let's see. You do have an order block here. It's very small, right there. So question is now, can we get above this? If you're gonna look to buy this, you may want to check and see how price is gonna fare here. If we could get above this level, and I would look at this on the 4 hour time frame. If you could manage to get above this zone here, then I would look for buying opportunities. So something like this, have a retest and then a move to the upside, something like that. That's what you want to see right here. You know, make that in wave. And if we were to, let me show you how I would find future targets. Let's say if it moved up to this level. These would be the targets that I would look for in the future if it ends up breaking this level. So I would pay attention to this. Let me actually add this to my watch list. Let me add this to the watch list. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, so it's now into the watch list. So yeah, I would watch this carefully if I were you. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna start the game. Sir Captain Sticks, how you doing? Good evening. BTR, okay, I got you on BTR. Ooh, I don't even think I picked the right one. Oh, I don't even know if I have the one that... Okay, let me go here. Oh, I guess that was it, but I'm not... Are you looking for, like, the BitTrue coin, or are you looking for Brain Trust? Which one are you looking for? That BTR or this one? Because there's two that are coming up. It shows BitTrue and then it shows Brain Trust. So which BTR are you wanting me to look at? Just so I don't use the wrong one or do the wrong analysis. Yeah, let me know. Because right after I get done with this one, I'm starting the game. So this is how I'm going to do it. Just like last time when I was playing the game. What I'm going to do, I'm going to play a few rounds. And then I'm going to, look at charts when I take a few losses. Yeah, I could get sushi after this. Yeah, I'll look at sushi for you. Sir Captain Sticks, are you there? Because I'm trying to figure out if you want me to, which one you want me to look at. But, if you don't say nothing, I gotta keep it moving. Let me see. Sushi. Do I have sushi on this one? Yep, I do. Let's see. So sushi, I don't even remember what sushi chart we looked at because I remember looking at it. I just don't remember which one it was, what chart it was, because there's definitely no analysis on this one. Let me see. Let's look at USDT. Nope. I guess we're gonna just stick with this one for now. All right, so sushi. Let's take a look. You said it bounced. I don't even see the bounce. Where did it bounce at? You said it bounced today. You talking about like right here? This baby candle. Like that's adorable. It didn't bounce nowhere. Like it bounced a little bit. If you, I see what you mean, but it didn't really bounce. Let me see. There is support here, though. I will say that. Yeah, there's definitely support here. All right, let's see some. Let's zoom out. Let's see what's going on with this picture. You got a lot of bears in this market on sushi. You said sell and buy back lower or too late. Well, I'm about to find out. Let me see. All right, on the 4 hour, you have some bullish divergence on the 4 hour at this support, so you might have some hope. And usually when you trade divergence at a level of support and resistance, usually it's a strong indication that price is moving up. As you see, it already has moved up because of this divergence. The question is, I don't know how far up it's going to go. That's the thing about divergence. You never really know. You don't know how far it's truly going to go up or down. But looking at it, sushi looks doomed. I'm not going to lie to you. Sushi looks doomed. It is out of equilibrium, and this may want to push higher only because the market is out of equilibrium. This is angled down, so that's not a good sign either. But, you know, overall, this market's not looking good. DXY. Okay. Man, I keep okay. Okay. Okay, I got you on DXY. I keep saying I want to play this game, but man, y'all be throwing them y'all be throwing them out quick. Yeah, I would be careful here. If you're gonna sell, go ahead and sell some if you want to. I'm not gonna put that on you. This is not looking good in my opinion. This is very bearish. The only thing you have going for you is this bullish divergence, but this cloud here is very strong to the downside. The worst that could, well, the best thing honestly that could happen here, if this happens, if the market starts ranging here, you want to see this happen. So I wouldn't sell if I were you until we break below here. And I wouldn't buy really anything just yet until we're above the cloud to confirm it. But here, I wouldn't do anything. Just wait because this could happen. Most likely this may end up happening just because when you're at a level of support like this, then, you know, the market tends to range a bit before buyers or sellers really take over. One of them is going to have to take over. But right now, I wouldn't do much here just yet. Not yet. So just wait on this one. Wait on this one. You said I would probably sell at $5 to $6 because I expect a Bitcoin dead cat bounce around 38 to 41K before we go lower. Got you. Okay, thank you. Everyone is so bearish. All the influencers, everyone. Man, they weren't bearish until I've been bearish since the last 4 months. I've been bearish saying that the market was going to crash for the last 4 months, and people did not see this coming. People said Bitcoin XRP will never go underneath the dollar. People said the market won't come down lower. We're all going to the moon. Da 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 da. I said, y'all, nah, I'm gonna smack you. If I could smack people in this market, I probably would. That's why the Lord don't keep me. That's why the Lord don't let me go out because He knows that I'll probably smack some people. I'm not. I'm just being real with you guys because there's some people that I probably smack if I saw them in person. And that's why I be praying. I'm just being real with you guys. Y'all think I'm super holy and all that. I try to live like live righteous and everything is, and sometimes it's hard because you got people on social media that just say stupid stuff and like try to jab at you and just you got dumb influencers doing stupid stuff and you're just like, how do people listen to this? Like, are y'all just so desperate for money y'all just listen to anybody? So yeah, like I said, if I could smack some people in the crypto space, I would. What I tell y'all who, I'm not gonna get that personal, but there's some people, man. There's some people that are like, man, y'all leading people to doom, telling them the same thing. You know, I would just leave it at that. You said Corona brain. You wild Corona brain. Let me go ahead and look at this before I miss out. DXY. All right. All right, so I'm about to start the game up in a second. Ooh, I don't like this one because it's hard to read. Let's see. Let's go here. Man, there's too much going on here. Let me move this here. There's way too much going on this chart for me to even. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. Price is going up here, so I do like that. See, this is the okay. Now I remember why I don't like this chart because I can't use my CVO for this because I can't tell if buyers are coming in or sellers are coming in. So let me see. So I'm gonna have to use my other bit of knowledge I got. We are moving higher here. I do think we'll probably for the DXY. I do think we'll probably move somewhere in here up to these levels. So I do think we'll be bullish, but not for a long time. The question is, can we break above this box? That's going to be the question after that. So I do think we'll move higher here. I just don't know how when that'll be. All right. And then looking at Ichimoku. Ichimoku is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. We're above the cloud. Only thing I don't like is we are about to get like a death cross here. But price is above the death cross, so that might not mean much. And then on the on the 4 hour, this is gonna be interesting. This is flat, but this is angling up, so this actually might still be a good sign for the market to move up. Price is above the cloud, so that's a good thing. The only thing I don't like on this 4 hour chart is that this is flat, but that's okay. That doesn't mean much until we break this level. But I do think this will get higher. All right. All right, so I'm about to start this game up for you guys. So bear with me. And then I'll get back to the charts. I've been wanting to play this game for you guys again. Y'all don't make fun of me in the chat like y'all did last time. Y'all was trolling the hell out of me. Because I don't know why, but I got nervous when I played last time. Usually I play better when I play this game, but it is what it is. You said thank you, good luck. I appreciate it. All right, so here we go, guys. We're about to get started in this game. Let's go. Let's see. All right, so we're going to wait for a minute because it takes a minute for it to buffer and load up. I have it on one click mode, so I have this stream deck, so it makes life a lot easier. Honestly, navigating through the what's it called? Navigating through the goodness, I can't even speak right now. Through the through the computer and all that. So it is nice to have that and not have to, click on 1,000 things. Let me see what's going on here. There we go. All right, we should be starting in a bit. Let me turn this volume down because I think my neighbor's gonna go crazy. Do y'all see my screen at all? Okay, there we go. I'm not gonna play this intro because they'll copyright me. They tried it last time. I'm like, y'all tripping. But this game, y'all, if y'all never played this game or if y'all are gamers, I truly urge y'all to like play this at least one time. This game is really challenging and it's kind of addictive. It has this old school type of feel, like when you died in the old games, you had to start over from the very beginning. So if you die, you start over from the very beginning. Doesn't matter if you get to the last level, you start over. So I like that challenge and that feel to the game. All right, so we're about to get started. So pretty much I unlocked all the characters but one. I have one character I need to unlock, but the only way I could unlock the last character is by playing with this guy, the Paradox. And the Paradox is pretty OP, except he has interesting boosts, but it is he is different. But so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this, y'all. How far do y'all think I'm gonna go? Do y'all think I'm gonna make it to the end? Do y'all think I'm gonna make it to like get beat up in like the 5th round, the 3rd round? I think there's how many rounds is there's 6 rounds total, but they're all pretty long. And depending on how you play it could be short. But let me know what y'all think, because I'm about to go hard on this. I'm about to be in gamer mode, so if y'all don't hear me speak, it's because I'm in game mode and I'm on focus mode. So especially when it comes to these boss battles. So we're gonna get into it. You said first time you've seen this game will be fun. All right, man. Hopefully it is fun for you to watch, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Oh man, I don't even know what weapon I want to use. Let's go. Wow, they gave me some weak weapons to start off with. Okay, let's go with this one. Oh no, we ain't doing this. Alright, got hit one time, still moving forward. Let's go. Alright, still going. See, too easy, y'all. Too easy. Oh, I got hit again. So this is just the warm-up round. Usually my first round sucks, but we'll see how I do after this one. But I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so this is going to be the boss battle. Hopefully I don't get whooped. I'm going to use this weapon because it's easier to fight bosses with stronger weapons, so let's go. Alright. what? This is not helping. All right, we're not doing bad, but we're not doing the greatest either. All right, we got a W. I'm not doing too hot on this round, but it's all good. We gonna do good, man. I'm telling y'all. Just warming up, y'all. Just warming up. Ooh, they're not giving me good choices. All right, I'll let y'all pick. Which one y'all want me to pick? The golden looking gun, this one over here, this one up here. First person to answer, that's the one I'm gonna pick up. The golden, okay, got it. That was a good choice, huh? Let's go. Yeah, that one. Whoa. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, that one made me a bit nervous. Okay, that sucks. I wasted my shield. Okay, let's see. All right, we're not doing bad. We're not doing too bad. There we go. Nice and easy. Now that's not a boss battle, it's a mini boss, so that fight don't really matter. Let's see. All right. So there's nothing really here. Let's go. Let's go. You said, do you buy this game online? Yeah, so there's this site called Steam where you could get these games online, and you could get this game online. I think this game was like, actually I got this one for free because someone gifted it to me, but I think this game is like $5 in the shop. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. Oh man, I was not paying attention. Ooh, I'm taking some L's here. Let's see. Ooh, do I want to do that? Yeah, let's go ahead. Oh, she's easy. Okay, well, she's not that easy. Let's go. Ooh. Dadgum. Got her. Golly. Woo, she almost took me out. Alright, let's go here. I'm not gonna lie, that last boss, that boss actually made me nervous. I'm like, I'm not gonna lose to this. So you played this game before? I didn't even know you liked this game. Like, this game's pretty fun. Have you ever played co-op on this game? He said that was close. It was close. I almost died. Oh, okay, so they gave me two of my favorite guns. So, the shovel gun or this gun. So, he said, nope, never have. Ah, you funny. Just looks cool. I got you. I gotta leave you. Take care. All right, man. Take care. Have a good one. Let's see. Let's go with... All right, we about to get dirty here. Okay, let's go. All right. Ooh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, that could have been very bad real quick. Real quick. Okay, let's go. Ooh, they're getting tough. Okay, let's go. And the cool thing about this game, it changes every time you play. So you're never gonna have the same round as you had like your first time or second time. The game's always changing up on you, so it's pretty cool that the game does that. Which is why I like this game a lot. Oh wow. Let's go this way. Really? All right. Actually, I'm wasting time. All right, boss number 3. Here we go. Oh God, the tank. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Y'all, I'm running for my life because so if I get hit one more time, it's over. Goodness. Dang. Golly. I'm not gonna lie, that was a tough one. I'm not gonna